Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the simple squash card. Let me show you what a squash card is. Isn't it pretty? You can write your message or paste some photographs. You can gift this to your loved ones as a standalone card, or you can use this on your scrapbook. So let's get started. For this we need a cardstock. Here I am using Handmade Craft matte white cardstock. It is a 270 GSM paper. Just remember that for these type of squash cards we need a square sheet. You can use any size you want. I am using 12 by 12 inches. First we have to fold it in half. For this I am using this Handmade Craft Ergo bone folder to get a clean crease. Then fold it in other direction like this. Okay, so we have folded it like this and this. Now we want to fold it in the diagonal. Okay, using this bone folder. So after making these three creases, we have to fold this diagonally in this opposite direction, just like this. Okay, so now fold it, with these two creases will go inside, and that's it. Voila, the card is ready. Now you can place a ribbon on the back side, paste it and tie a knot in the front. So do you like this video? Please let me know in the comment section and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.